After describing the Michael Holding Senior Cup final over 3 days as a success, the Jamaica Cricket Association is now planning to introduce the increased days at an early stage of the competition. More in this report.
There was a time when the JCA Senior Cup final was played over 3 days, Saturday and Sunday on one weekend and Sunday on the other. They even tried 3 days on one weekend, but none of that proved favorable. It was then down to a 2-day final, which saw teams deciding matches on first inning points. It was for that reason the JCA moved to increase the days, citing a better way for the final to be decided properly. Now the JCA wants to take it further.
There's a thought process of starting the 3-day process a little earlier, right? Probably at the semifinals, at the quarterfinal stage, to try and foster a spirit of staying there, enduring, fighting, trying to accumulate, trying to stay there, execute your plans over a longer period of time.
And there's also the regional first-class competition, which is played over 4 days, all this while playing for 2 days in the island's major competition.
Instead of just asking them to play 2 days of cricket and shorter versions, and then when the first class season comes along, we say, okay, go and play 4-day cricket. I think the mindset now is to, how can we get our players to play more 3-day cricket, and that is the path we're on.
This season, competing teams collected more for their effort throughout the season, and according to the JCA First Vice President Fritz Harris, the aim is to bring more interest back into the game.
Despite the fact that the JCA, we're not the best of these days with funding, we recognize the challenges faced by our teams, and so you'll notice that there has been an increase in the prize monies for the winner and runner-up, and we hope that the teams will enjoy the increase, and we will look to increase again next year and to slowly bring more incentives back into the sport as we make it worth their while to come out and play Senior Cup cricket week after week.
Melbourne's Comrie and Trelawney's Osborne Palmer finished as the season's leading wicket takers with 47 each.
I'm very grateful for getting this achievement, as most wickets have been doing a lot of work over the last 18 months, and it's good fruition to see that my hard work has been paying off.
Tevin Gilzine of the Jamaica Defence Force was the leading run scorer with 685 runs at an average of 76.
A couple mentors who really had me through my rough times. I believe that really helped me throughout my training and also my development to score these runs.
The 50 overs competition is set for September. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.